What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Today we're back with another episode, and today will be episode 3 of the Lexus is300 build series. Let's get into it. Alright guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video down below. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I post, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me and I really do appreciate it. Now that that's out of the way, let's get on to today's episode. If you are all caught up on all of my episodes, up to date, then you should know last week I put wheels on the is300. We did the gloss white Kanze Astros and I got the wrong offset. I got a plus 22 when in reality I should have gotten a plus 35. However, the 35 was sold out and back ordered, and I wanted wheels now, and I realized my mistake now. So I also should have gotten 215s instead of 225s as well on tires. Basically, the fitment right now kind of resembles an angry bulldog, like the bulldog from Tom and Jerry. It's very squared and aggressive and just bulky right in your face. That's not what I'm trying to achieve with this build. So the fronts, they're fine. Yes, they poke out, but it's not doing any damage to the wheels or the car. In the rear, however, every time I turn too fast or hit a big bump in the road, the fender comes down and slices the sidewall, and my tires in the rear are all ribbons around the side, so that's not good at all. Really bad. So my plan today is we're going to install some Godspeed rear upper control arms and toe arms. Both of them are adjustable. We're gonna throw them in the car. Hopefully we can adjust them to where I get a little bit of negative camber in the rear so the wheels will stick in, and if I hit a big bump, it just comes down and misses the tire. Again, a smaller tire size would help decrease the shredding. I haven't heard too many things about Godspeed, good or bad, but I needed to do something fast. Maybe one day I will upgrade to Megan. I hear Megan Racing makes good arms and stuff, so we will see. But for now, it's temporary, and hopefully this fixes the shredding of the tires, because Riverside is literally next week, and that's a 2-ish hour drive, and I really don't want to blow both rear tires driving to Riverside. That wouldn't be very fun. So as you can see, it's raining. Tennessee loves to rain when I try to do car stuff, or it's really cold and snowy. Why? I don't know, but it makes me mad. Anyway, my buddy Austin so generously donated his garage, so I'm gonna drive over to his house and then we will install the arms at his house in a nice comfy garage out of the rain. I'm super nervous. I've never done this before. All right guys, so we made it. We're in the garage, and in perfect timing because it's starting to sprinkle. So thanks again, Austin, for donating your garage for a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're dealing with here as far as the arms and stuff. We'll get them unwrapped and then I'll show you what they look like. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. These are the Godspeed fully adjustable rear upper control arms and the toe arms here. It's awesome that they're labeled left and right so you don't get it mixed up. I think these are ambidextrous. I don't see any left or right, so I think they just fit right in there. So perfect. Yeah. So now that that's unwrapped and you've seen what we're working with, we're going to, for the first step, jack up the car and take off the rear wheels, and then we will get to work on taking out the old stuff. Okay guys, so step 1 is complete. Jack up the car and take the wheel off. So the wheel is off. So we're gonna be replacing this right here. This is the rear upper and this is the toe arm right here. So we're gonna hit it with some PV Blaster on the bottom and the bolts and stuff, just in case they've been on there so long. I don't wanna strip anything, so I'm gonna spray that. This right here is a 19mm holding the ball joint to the spindle. Back here, there will be 2 17s, and you'll break those loose. This will come out. I'm gonna try my best to not take out the OEM suspension. I think I should be able to just wriggle this out. I know a lot of people do remove that to clear up some space, but I'm gonna try my best to do it without it. So we're gonna remove this stuff and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so quick update. We aren't able to get the 19 loose for the upper arm in the spindle on the driver's side yet. It's just really on there. But we did get it loose on the passenger side. So that nut is off, but the ball joint won't separate. So we're gonna have to go to Harbor Freight and pick up the ball joint separator real quick, come back and nail this thing. All right guys, so we are back and this is the ball joint separator, and this bolt will just got it on this hole right here. This will clip onto the ball joint. As you tighten it down, it'll pop it open. It's 20 bucks at Harbor Freight. So we got the rear upper ball joint separated from the spindle here. Just took a while to get it on there, but I hit it on there, it released it, so now this is up. So this was the 19, now I need to get the 17s back here. Again, trying not to remove the rear suspension, and I'm not sure what's back there. It's probably another 17 as well. Okay guys, so we got this one out, and then we got both of those bolts back there, left and right, both of those out, and that is just this. And it just slides right out through one side. I slid it out from the left. Now, I'm afraid we have to take out the rear suspension. Honestly, I think this is maybe a good learning experience, because I think 90% of the time you're cursing and trying to get this bolt off, 10% it's actually going well. But there is a silver lining. So Austin's brother, he works at an actual shop with lifts and all this great stuff. So tomorrow I'm gonna drive there and we're gonna finish the job there at his shop. So thank you very much. Huge shout out for that. That's gonna be fantastic. He's gonna have a lot more tools than I do, and a lift and all this stuff. We're gonna get this shit done. I just wanted to update you guys on what is happening, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we end this video. All right guys, it is the next day. I just got off work and now I'm gonna drive to the shop and we're gonna get this shit done. For some reason, it has dropped what seems like 20 degrees and it's freezing here. So it's raining and freezing. So this is all together not a good day. I don't know. I'm gonna drive there, we're gonna get this done. I'll see you guys at the shop. All right guys, so really quick, let me explain what happened with the driver's side. So basically, whoever owned this car before me put a nut on the spindle connecting the ball joint together, and it was completely seized and rounded on there. So they had to cut it off. That's why we couldn't get it off initially the first day we tried. The passenger side went smooth, just like the day before. They just had, the lift helped so much. There was more angles we could see. I could fit wrenches in different spots. So the lift and the space, the shop helped so much. Huge shout out for Jordan and Hunter for helping me out. You guys are lifesavers. Thank you so much. It is Monday, so 2 days later after we installed the arms, I had to drop it off and get it aligned. So super big shout out for Doug. Everybody in Knoxville already knows who that is. He's the alignment guy around here. So by a miracle, he was able to get me in, and he had a cancellation this morning, so he was able to get it done literally today. So that's awesome. We are all bolted up and aligned, driving straight. It feels really, really good in the rear. We are officially tucking negative 4.5 degrees of camber in the rear. Now I just have to get suspension and lower the car. It's still monster truck level ride height right now, but until we get it lowered, it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look a little wonky, but at least I'm not bouncing and sliding all over the road like I was when I was driving home from installing the arms. That was terrifying. The roads were wet, zero traction. I was literally bouncing like I was driving on basketballs. It was a terrible experience. But with all of that, it is now done. The rear, upper, and toe arms are all installed on the is300. It's driving good, it's aligned. Riverside is literally Saturday. It's so close. So that's the next time you're gonna see me, is the after movie for Riverside. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around, watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, whatever you want. Comment memes, jokes, car things. What's your favorite car, favorite wheel? Do you think I should have gone with a different brand for control arms? Let me know down in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.